It's Nat and Essie, plus Sprinkles the bear.
This window is problematic.
Problematic? What do you mean?
Yeah, it's boring. There's nothing to it. It's one plain old window.
Yeah, it's making me really sad.
Okay, let's brainstorm. What can we do to make it look better?
I say let's just smash it.
Smash it? Then all the bugs are gonna come inside. Yeah, that's not gonna work either. But I think I know what we can do. What if we make some jelly stickers and we can stick them on the windows? We can make our very own jelly stickers. Essie and our besties are going to help us.
Did you say jelly stickers? I can definitely help with that. But first, we're gonna need some things. We're going to need some paint, a clear plastic cover, and of course, the images of our Inside Out 2 emotions. There's joy, anger, fear, sadness, and disgust.
Oh, this is so exciting. Let's begin.
First thing we want to do is put our images inside the plastic. To prevent it from moving around, I'm also going to get a couple tape. And now we are ready to paint. We are going to go ahead and start off with Joy. We're going to start with her hair, which is color blue. So I have here our blue paint. So first thing we want to do is create the outline. After making the outline, let's go ahead and fill it up. I made the mistake of shaking the bottle, and that's why you can see that there are bubbles in it. So, learn from my mistake and don't do that. So next we are going to do the eyes, then white. And now I have our yellow paint for her face. Her teeth. And pink. I'm just gonna fill in the spots that we missed. Yay! We are done with Joy!
Hey, that's not too bad for a first time. Great job!
Thanks, Joy! We are going to let that dry, and while doing that, we are going to work on anger.
Okay, let's make it quick, will ya? I don't like waiting.
Yep, that's the plan. Alright, for anger, we are gonna go ahead and start off with the face. And it's of course the color red. So that's for the face. Now let's work for the eyes. Now let's fill up the eyes with white. We probably overdid this one a little bit. And now let's go to the hair. So the hair is a mix of orange and yellow. Anger is done.
Great. That wasn't too bad a wait.
Not at all. Now it's time for sadness. Yay. So sadness is really just different shades of blue. We're gonna start off with the darkest blue. Then we're gonna get a lighter shade of blue. Okay, this one is like turquoise, but I'm hoping that it will darken up a little bit. The mouth and the glasses. Here's the eyebrows, and I don't have any other shade of blue, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use this blue for the rest of her hair. There we go. It's not perfect, but I think it's good enough. Now let's move on to Disgust. Disgust is basically just different shades of green. We're gonna start off with this green. Now let's do the other shade. some of black here. That is it for Disgust. Okay, that's probably the worst one from everything that we made, but again, hopefully once it dries, it changes up a little bit. Hopefully the final result is not as gross. I hope so too, Disgust. Now, on to Fear.
Oh, I'm so scared. I hope it doesn't turn out too bad.
It shouldn't. I think Fear is actually the easiest emotion to make. We're gonna start off with the hair, the eyebrows, the eyes, the whites of his eyes, and then purple. Then his bow tie. Then let's fix his eyes a little bit. And he turned out great. That's it. We are done. Here are all the emotions. We are just going to let these dry overnight and we'll be right back to check the results.
Okay. That's it. I'm done waiting. Is it ready?
Don't worry, Anger. It is ready now.
Yes. I think it is ready and it looks amazing. So let's start with our Joy Jelly sticker right here. I'm able to peel the hair, which is a great sign. Okay, it's coming out. Wow! We did it, you guys! Oh, it turned out really cute! Yay!
Whee! We did it! Yay!
Now it's time for Anger. Oh! Wow! We did it too! Oh, that looks amazing! Now on to Sadness. I love this one because of the shimmery paint on her face. Yay! There it is! Then here's Disgust. I ended up putting so much paint on this one because I was trying to fix it. So hopefully it dried anyway. Oh, that actually came out really easily. You know, aside from the eye right here, this actually didn't turn out as bad as I thought it would be. And finally, this is my favorite. It's Fear. We're gonna start here on his bow tie. Oh, peels so easily. And voila! Fear is done! Yay! Great, now come on, let's go jazz up the window.
Coming!
I'm here.
Wait, for me.
Ooh, I hope it works.
Here's our window, and here's our Joy Jelly sticker. Let's go ahead and stick it on right here. Whoa, it works! Now let's get Sadness. We'll put her right here. Ta-da! Disgust will go right over here. Anger this way. And Fear will be right here. Ta-da! Oh, that turned out really great. I love it, and I hope you guys love it too. Thank you so much for joining me in this arts and crafts activity video. See you next time. Bye!